Ceci est l'analyse architecturale sur l'adoption du numérique cette semaine, où nous allons au-delà des gros titres pour examiner les schémas architecturaux qui façonnent la transformation numérique. Cet épisode se concentre sur le désalignement organisationnel en matière d'IA et de sécurité dans le domaine organisationnel, et sur la manière dont cela crée du stress entre l'intelligence artificielle et la cybersécurité. Je suis le docteur Darren. Entrons dans l'analyse. Organizational capability mismatches can create big barriers to integrating AI and cybersecurity. You might notice slow project approvals or missed opportunities in your organization. A major telecom recently faced this issue. They struggled to push AI initiatives forward because of outdated security protocols. This isn't a failure of capability, it's a failure of decision-making. Delays in strategic decisions can stifle innovation and put security at risk. Your team's leaders need to reassess decision rights and compliance boundaries. It's crucial to align AI applications with cybersecurity measures for operational resilience. Prioritizing these areas can reduce vulnerabilities and strengthen your organization's effectiveness as threats evolve. A clear pattern emerges in how decisions fail under pressure. This week, a major telecom faced challenges integrating AI because of outdated security protocols. As a result, decision-making slowed down, delaying critical AI initiatives. This highlights a growing uncertainty around decision rights. For your team, this pattern shows that conflicting responsibilities can hinder effective technology implementation. You might think it's just a tooling issue, but outdated protocols can significantly limit performance and security. Aligning AI strategies with updated frameworks is essential for maintaining operational integrity. It's also crucial to assess your compliance boundaries to effectively address vulnerabilities. Remember, speed without clear decision rights can lead to chaos. Inefficiencies in decision-making are a major barrier to AI adoption. Consider a recent example of a large telecommunications company. They struggled with AI initiatives due to outdated security protocols. This highlights how approval delays can impact your projects. Don't fall into the trap of thinking technology deployment is all that matters. Clarity around decision-making rights is just as important. Every team member should feel the urgency to act, but they also need to understand their responsibilities. This helps prevent decision-making bottlenecks. Alignment across your organization is crucial to seize AI opportunities. Updating security protocols should happen alongside integrating AI tools. Regularly evaluating compliance limits and decision rights not only reduces uncertainty, but also speeds up project execution. By acknowledging how your operational pace affects deployment speed, you enhance the use of new technologies within your security framework. Focusing on decision-making and these key elements will improve execution and minimize interruptions from decision failures. The AI sector is currently grappling with serious copyright issues. This has led to multiple recalls of AI-generated content. These challenges reveal ongoing dilemmas around ownership and compliance. For your team, disregarding these issues could hinder your ability to use AI effectively. You might see this as just a technology problem. However, these organizational failures can significantly undermine trust in AI initiatives. If copyright and ownership concerns aren't addressed, user trust will erode. This ultimately impacts meaningful engagement. The main areas affected are strategic and organizational. The stress arises from unclear governance over AI operations, complicating compliance and decision-making. Many organizations focus on technology integration while overlooking the need for transparent ownership structures. Without these frameworks, trust erodes before initiatives can truly take off. To stabilize the situation, it's crucial to establish a clear reference architecture. This defines roles and regulatory expectations for AI projects. A robust framework enhances compliance and aligns your operational strategies. It helps reinforce credibility and speeds up decision-making. This isn't a technology failure, it's a failure to make critical decisions effectively. Organizational stress is showing up in cybersecurity strategies. Recently, some nations ordered firms to stop using specific foreign cybersecurity tools. This decision significantly affects how businesses tackle rising cyber threats. Ignoring these directives can misalign security frameworks. That opens doors to potential breaches. Operational decisions about security tools are directly undermined. The ODXA domains impacted here are organizational and strategic. Unclear compliance boundaries create uncertainty, shaking up strategic decisions. At the same time, organizational compliance efforts struggle. Many teams rush to acquire security technology, overlooking the urgent need for established compliance practices. The real challenge is that without these frameworks, security strategies lose effectiveness. If compliance boundaries aren't set soon, confidence in cybersecurity measures crumbles before defenses can take hold. For your team, identifying compliance boundaries is key. It lays out necessary guidelines and streamlines your security protocol implementations. Focusing on this will enhance your security reliability and reduce vulnerabilities down the line. Organizational challenges are clear in the telecom sector right now. Recent reports show widespread outages, disrupting services for many customers. These disruptions reveal serious weaknesses in telecom infrastructure. This impacts the industry's ability to keep service quality standards high. Ignoring these vulnerabilities can lead to operational breakdowns within your team. You may view this as just an infrastructure problem, but these service failures threaten customer trust and retention. If outages continue, reliability is the first casualty of your service offerings. This can slow down your organization's approval processes for new initiatives. The pressure intensifies in both physical and digital domains. The core issue is a lack of infrastructure redundancy. This makes responding to outages more challenging. Many organizations focus on tech advancements but overlook the need for stable systems. Without a solid infrastructure, customer confidence can decline before any real improvements are seen. If these issues aren't solved quickly, attracting and keeping customers can become difficult. A clear framework for decision rights in operations is crucial. This will help stabilize your infrastructure investments in the future. Leaders must navigate a consistent challenge. There's a tension between innovation and security. Each area highlights the need to integrate AI into current cybersecurity frameworks. If these efforts aren't aligned, processes become inefficient and opportunities are lost. The real issue here is having capabilities without the right decision-making power. This disconnect leads to weak governance structures. We see it in delays for AI governance and slow reactions to new telecom threats. For your portfolio, it's crucial that AI initiatives support security protocols. This isn't about capability, it's about decision-making. Start by establishing clear decision rights to ensure smooth implementation across your organization. Leaders have three key choices to consider. First, you can centralize AI governance or decentralize it into business units. Centralization helps ensure consistent compliance with security protocols, but decentralization risks creating fragmented strategies across your organization. Aligning your team is crucial for reducing vulnerabilities. Next, think about decision rights around cybersecurity. You can formalize these rights or let informal practices continue. Formalizing brings clarity to accountability and boosts responsiveness to new threats. In contrast, informal practices can lead to chaotic responses to security risks. A well-defined framework increases resilience. Finally, consider your approach to infrastructure upgrades. You can prioritize them or delay until resources are available. Prioritizing strengthens your defenses against cyber threats, while delays might worsen vulnerabilities and damage customer trust. Timely investments in infrastructure are essential for operational stability and maintaining customer confidence. Organizations often struggle with aligning AI initiatives and security protocols. Architects play a key role by clarifying ownership and compliance boundaries. Keep in mind the recent delays in AI governance impacted a major telecom's ability to respond to threats. For your next steering meeting, think about who is responsible for these decisions. Next week, we'll dive into strategies for seamless integration. Cela conclut l'approfondissement architectural de cette semaine. Si vous avez aimé cet épisode, veuillez nous donner 5 étoiles sur votre plateforme préférée ou YouTube. Et si vous souhaitez aller plus loin, rejoignez notre communauté sur Patreon. Recherchez Embracing Digital. D'ici la prochaine fois, je suis le Dr Darren. Continuez à poser des questions difficiles et continuez à embrasser la révolution numérique.